If your Pasadena home still has older windows, you may be living with drafts, rising energy bills, or fading interior finishes without even realizing your windows are the cause. Windows play a major role in your home's comfort, efficiency, and appearance. Upgrading to modern replacement windows is one of the most impactful improvements you can make, offering benefits you'll notice immediately and long into the future. Here's how replacement windows can transform your Pasadena home. Improved energy efficiency. Pasadena's warm climate means air conditioning systems work hard for much of the year. Older windows, especially single-pane or poorly sealed units, allow significant heat transfer. This forces your cooling system to run longer to maintain a comfortable temperature. Modern replacement windows feature double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, insulating gas fills like argon, energy-efficient vinyl or fiberglass frames. These technologies help reduce solar heat gain while keeping cooled air inside. The result is a more stable indoor temperature and lower monthly utility bills. Reduced drafts and air leaks. If you feel hot air near your windows in summer or notice subtle drafts during cooler months, your current windows may not be sealing properly. Replacement windows are designed with advanced weather stripping and precision engineering to create a tight seal. When professionally installed, they minimize air infiltration and eliminate common problem areas around the frame. This improves daily comfort and prevents unnecessary energy waste. Enhanced indoor comfort. Temperature fluctuations from room to room can make parts of your home less enjoyable. Living rooms may feel warmer in the afternoon, while bedrooms may cool down too quickly at night. Replacement windows help regulate heat transfer, reducing hot and cold spots. With more consistent indoor temperatures, your entire Pasadena home feels more comfortable year-round. Increased natural light without excess heat. Pasadena homeowners appreciate bright, sunlit interiors, but too much direct sunlight can overheat rooms and cause glare. Modern replacement windows allow you to enjoy natural light without excessive heat buildup. Low-E coatings filter infrared heat while still letting visible light pass through. This means you can maintain bright, welcoming spaces without sacrificing comfort. Better noise reduction. If you live near busy streets, schools, or active neighborhoods, outside noise can disrupt your home's tranquility. Double and triple pane replacement windows act as sound barriers, reducing the transmission of outdoor noise. The insulating space between panes dampens vibrations, creating a quieter indoor environment. This is especially valuable for bedrooms, home offices, and living areas. Boosted curb appeal. Old, worn windows can make your home look dated. New replacement windows instantly refresh your exterior. With a wide range of frame colors, grid patterns, and styles available, you can choose options that complement your home's architecture, whether it's traditional, modern, or somewhere in between. Enhanced curb appeal not only improves pride of ownership but can also increase resale value. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Modern replacement windows are built for longevity. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist warping, peeling, and moisture damage, making them well-suited for Pasadena's climate. Many models also feature tilt and sashes for easy cleaning, simplifying maintenance and saving time. A smart investment for Pasadena homes. Upgrading to replacement windows is about more than appearance. It's about comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. By reducing heat transfer, eliminating drafts, lowering noise, and enhancing curb appeal, replacement windows offer a wide range of benefits for Pasadena homeowners. If your current windows are outdated or underperforming, investing in modern replacement windows can transform your home into a more comfortable, energy-efficient, and visually appealing space for years to come.